So in this quick video, we're going to take a look at some ideas that you might want to use to develop digital leaders if you're thinking about getting them started in September, or if this is an activity you might want to use to develop your digital leaders whilst they're working at a distance from you. So first thing I wanted to highlight is I did this as an activity with my own son, and we were looking through the Apple Teacher guides and thinking about how a student would use those things. So my son's 11 years old, and his take on what he would do with his iPad is a lot different to what a teacher might do from a teaching point of view in the classroom. So we used the Apple Teacher skills as a basis of thinking about what you could do as a student. And he created these books. You can download these. These are all available on the bookstore. Just search for Max Pullen or Get to Know Your iPad. And you'll see that there is actually a range of books for each of the different apps as part of the Apple Teacher skills sections. So let's just jump into book number 1, which is the How to Use Your iPad. When we go into it, we'll notice that there's a bit of an introduction from my son. But the key thing was we wanted to create something that would allow your students to make their own versions of these books, and I'll show you that in a second. Let's just have a look at what the book looks like. So each section talks about what you would do as a student using this, with some examples in the pictures of the different things that you might want to do. So how you take your photos and what you can do with the photos, changing the colors, etc., using markup to do things. This is his interpretation of what he would do when it comes to using any of the skills, and it goes through all of the different skills from multitasking to how does he use it for note-taking, voice memos, etc., etc., etc. And that's what the whole book kind of entails, just step by step. This is what I would do as an 11-year-old. So what we thought was, that's going to be a certain amount interesting for people, but what the real impact we thought was if students could create their own version of this book. So that's what we did. We decided, let's give the template as a download. So if you tap on the download, it will allow you to open up your own version of this template. You'll see this gives me this within Box, where I can just tap on the share icon in the bottom left. It's going to open that as a template, and then we can take a look at how we would create our own version of this. So once it's downloaded, we can just simply choose where we want to save this. This is a Pages document, so I'm actually just going to open this within Pages. It's going to open that version as an editable version on my device. Now, the instruction is slightly changed here. It says that you can use this book and change it in a way that you want. So very, very simply, you can tap on any of those images, tap on the gallery options, manage those images, delete what's currently there, and add in your own images. You might want to change your own Memoji, so it's the picture of the student who's creating this, and obviously they're going to add in their own description of what they would do with it. When they're done, they end up with their own book, complete with what they would do. And they might have more than one idea, so I added in this extra page to say, what would you do? And you could just take screenshots and add them into this section. Now, like we said, there are books for each of the different skills. So this is our book on how to use your iPad, but we've also got one on how to use Keynote, how to use Pages, how to use iMovie, Numbers, and the final one that we did was how to use GarageBand. So you can download any of those books, have a go. They all come with the templates, but they're a great little activity to get started with your digital leaders to use to explore how they would use all of those skills in their own school.